Samburu is turning to dust. Even out on the plain, the freshest grazing is gone. But Anastasia has a long memory and knows how to find food, whatever the conditions. Dried out thorn bushes will have to do, with the adults using their strength and dexterity to root up whatever they can find. Alexei has to wrestle for his breakfast. And like the others, he needs water. Anastasia keeps the family moving, heading for the river. But when they arrive, there's no water at all. The animals of Samburu face a stark scene. Their lifeblood has dried up. Anastasia must now make a difficult decision. Should she risk her family dying of thirst in Samburu, or head off to seek springs and waterholes elsewhere? Her thinking is shaped by years of knowledge and experience. She decides to lead them away from Samburu and away from the Ewaso River. Now, the greatest pressure is upon her. The drought has begun.